Dear student, welcome in the second part of chapter 7. In this part we will discuss about another king, Mughal Emperor Humayun. Babur Shah's eldest son Nasiruddin assumed the title of Humayun and its meaning the fortunate. When he ascended the throne in Common Era 1530, after ascending the throne, Humayun found himself surrounded by rivals, or he was surrounded by the enemies. The Afghans and Rajputs still cherished the hope of driving Mughals away. Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat and Malwa, was extending his territories. Sher Khan, the Afghan ruler of Bihar, had ambitious become of the Sultan of Delhi. Means he was surrounded by the different kings, and the kings were from Bihar, Afghans, and they were trying to capture the throne of Mughal emperor. They tried to drive out the Mughal emperor Humayun. And also the Afghan ruler of Bihar had ambitious to become the Sultan of Delhi. Means Afghan ruler also, who was ruling in Bihar, he was also ambitious to become the Sultan of Delhi. Besides, Humayun's own brother Kamran, Hindal and Anskari were hostile towards him. They were not satisfied with their part of territory and wanted supreme authority of throne of Delhi. He, not only the outer enemy, but also his brother was also not cooperating him, and they were also hostile towards Humayun, and they were not satisfied with their territory that they have got from the Humayun. They also wanted to be the king, or they also wanted the throne of Delhi. The first to revolt against him was Kamran, his own brother. Revolts broke out Bundelkhand, Jaunpur and Bihar. Humayun was able to suppress the revolt partially when received the news that Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat, had revolted. So when he listened, he was able to suppress the revolt partially. Then military expeditions. What were the expeditions regarding the military? Humayun marched against the Bahadur Shah of Gujarat and defeated him in Common Era 1535, but he failed to retain Gujarat. Meanwhile, Sher Khan took advantages of Humayun's presence in Gujarat and strengthened his positions in Bengal and Bihar. Humayun marched against him in 1538 and took Chunar. Sher Khan attacked the Mughal army suddenly at Chausa in 1539 and defeated Humayun's army. So the battle which fought at Chausa, on that battle, and that battle fought in the year 1539, and on that battle Humayun's army defeated by Bahadur Shah, by Sher Khan. Sher Khan attacked Mughal army and he defeated the Humayun's army. Though Sher Khan became the ruler of Bengal and Bihar and assumed the title of Sher Shah, and when he defeated the army, Mughal army, in the year 1539, he assumed the title of Sher Shah. Humayun's positions became very weak after the defeated at Chausa. His brother Kamran, who had battle-hardened force of 10,000 Mughal soldiers, did not help and returned to Lahore, but Humayun hastily reassembled his army and marched against Sher Shah. The Battle of Canoes, which was fought in the year 1540 between Humayun and Sher Shah, who bitterly contested. Humayun's younger brother Askari and Hindal fought valiantly, but Humayun lost the battle. So his own brother, who had 10,000 Mughal soldiers, he did not help Humayun in the Battle of Canoes, which was fought in the year 1540 between Humayun and Sher Shah, but Humayun did not hopeless and he fought the battle with his younger brother Askari Hindal, and both of them fought the battle very bravely, but Humayun lost the battle. Sher Shah occupied the throne at Delhi. Humayun lost his throne. He wandered through the Rajasthan and Sindh. Since he did not get any support from his brother, Humayun left for Persia. He gathered a Persian force and reconquered Kabul and Kandahar in Common Era 1545. Meanwhile, Sher Shah died in the year Common Era 1545. Sher Shah's successors were weak and inefficient. In 1555 CE, Humayun recovered Delhi. So when he lost the battle with Sher Shah, he moved here and there, he wandered here and there through the Rajasthan and Sindh, but after sometimes he again gathered the Persian force and reconquered the Kabul and Kandahar, and in the year 1545, meanwhile Sher Shah died, and Sher Shah's successors were weak and inefficient. That's why Humayun able to recover Delhi once again. However, he did not live long to enjoy it, as he died in Common Era 1556 in an accidental fall from his library staircase. Humayun's sister Gulbadan Begum wrote a biography of Humayun, and that biography name is Humayun Nama. So it's true that Humayun recovered his throne at Delhi, but he did not enjoy the throne power, or he did not live long as a king. He died in the year of 1556 in an incidental fell from his library. In staircase he fell from his library and died. Humayun's sister, whose name was Gulbadan Begum, wrote a biography of Humayun, and that biography name is Humayun Nama.